Hello everybody, welcome back to our lesson 6 of English speech sounds, developing American English pronunciation through contrasting sound exercises. That's just a lot of technical speech for basically saying to help develop clarity when you're speaking. Clear speech. Well, today we're going to get into what are called 4-word sets, and I think it might be fun for you. I think it's fun in the classes that I have taught. And in my experiences with others, they've enjoyed this particular activity. And let's get into it. But before we do, let's go over some instructions, an overview about 4-word sets. First of all, I'm going to speak 4 words in succession. So each word will have one of the sounds, a, or ah. Secondly, listen to the words that I'm saying. You can pause the video and write them down because all you're going to see is a blank screen. I'll reveal the words that I spoke, so I'll just show them on the screen and you'll see what I said. Note, remember, the purpose of these activities is to develop your phonemic awareness. So as you develop phonemic awareness, you'll be able to develop more clarity in your speaking, which we can relate to pronunciation. And you can also develop your ability to distinguish spoken speech sounds, which is involved with listening. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin. So remember, I'm only going to speak words that have an a, or ah sound. So keep that in mind as we continue. Okay, so I know it doesn't make a lot of sense right now, but I tell you what, let's do the first one together and give you a chance to kind of get the feel of it. So let's begin. Okay, I'm going to say the first 4-word set. Here we go. And you can take note if you like. Pause the video. Any, X, Annie, axe. Any, X, Annie, axe. Okay, so try to write down what you heard. One more time. Any, X, Annie, axe. All right. So what did I say? Here we go. This is what I said. Any, X, Annie, axe. Okay. So you can see 4 words. 4-word set. Sometimes it's going to be a minimal pair, but all of them will be involving the a, or ah sound. Okay, let's continue to the next one. Mass, caught, cat, math. Mass, caught, cat, math. All right, what did I say? And again, you can rewind or review the video and hear it again several times if you'd like to. So here we go. Mass, caught, cat, math. Okay. Let's go to the next one. I know it might be a little challenging, but for some it might be fun. But let's continue. Band, laughed, past 10. Band, laughed, past 10. Here we go. Band, laughed, past 10. So this is really challenging for me or for the person speaking, from the perspective that you must enunciate and articulate very clearly for each person to hear specifically what you said. On the listening side, your side, it's challenging because you have to be able to distinguish each specific sound, put them together into words. So the idea behind this is to train your mouth and your mind, as well as your ears and your eyes, to train these elements to be able to distinguish and produce accurate speech sounds, so that when you go out, start to have conversations after the class, you'll be more aware of it and be able to produce more accurate sounds for the benefit of those who are listening. Okay, let's continue. Next, plaid, pad, pen, pet. Plaid, pad, pen, pet. Okay. Plaid, pad, pen, pet. This is what I said. Okay, again, I would encourage you to pause the video after I have spoken the sets twice. And then you can pause the video, write down what you heard, or review the video to listen again. That's fine. But try not to do it in the same speed that I'm doing the video. Okay, let's continue on. What, wet, wat, whack. What, wet, wat, whack. All right, here's what I said. What, wet, wat, whack. Okay, so each of these carrying that peculiar sound that we've gone over in our lesson series, the first videos prior to this. Actually, videos 3 through 5. Okay, so again, what, wet, wat, and whack. Let's continue. Chat, check, chuck, chalk. Chat, check, chuck, chalk. Okay, what did I say here? There you go. You can see chat, check, chuck, chalk. And you can hear that I'm trying to make each speech sound involved in the word, not just the sounds that we've been studying. Okay, and so it can be challenging. We'll be doing that in the lessons ahead, by the way. Not just vowel sounds, but also consonant sounds. Let's continue on. Just a couple more. Friend, France, French, funds. Friend, France, French, funds. Okay, what did I say here? 4-word set. There we go. Friend, France, French, funds. All right. Let's go to our last one. Happy, laugh, hopping, loft. Happy, laugh, hopping, loft. All right. Now, what did I say here? Strange things, not sentences, but happy, laugh, hopping, and loft. All right. Hopefully, you've enjoyed that experience, and it's helped to exercise your ability to distinguish through recognition of the words, how they might be spoken, how they might sound. Hopefully that's been an enjoyable experience for you, all designed to improve your abilities to receive these words in spoken conversations, or to produce them in conversations. Oh, looks like we had one more. My mistake. First one today. All right, let's do one more. Of, off, left, last. Of, off, left, last. And what did I say here? Of, off, left, last. Okay. Okay, that's going to conclude this lesson, lesson 6. And basically what we've been doing is reviewing the previous lessons 3 through 5, ah, and ah, by way of a fun activity, which is these 4 word sets. Hopefully it was fun for you. But that's going to be all. And next lesson, lesson 7, will be the final in this series. And we'll be reviewing lessons 3 through 5. So stay tuned for that. And it'll cover just a short video covering or having exercises involved. Again, if you like this video, there are more coming. I would appreciate it if you like it. Please like it here on YouTube. You can also subscribe to this channel, JFR SMTH, and you'll get more videos like this in the days ahead. You can also visit Prof ELT on Facebook, and that's where I put additional information not only on pronunciation but English language skills and development. And you can purchase the English Speech Sounds Workbook on Amazon.com. You can follow the links in the comments section below. But there's a lot more there, a lot more activity, a lot of exercises, a lot more sounds that you can check out. And please do